Hello, people, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Deep Roy Chaudhary, and I'm just a random guy. Yeah, I'm just a random guy who talks about random stuff. Uh, Today, I'm going to talk about artificial intelligence. Now, when I say the words artificial intelligence or AI to be short, a lot of people would be are quite optimistic about artificial intelligence, and a lot of people are quite scared about artificial intelligence. And if you ask me, I mean, from a layman's perspective, I don't know. I would not consider myself an expert about artificial intelligence, but I have read about it somewhat to an extent, and I definitely do not consider myself an expert, but I do know a little bit about what is the deal with artificial intelligence. I do know some things about it. So, from a layman's perspective, who does have a kind of an idea of what artificial intelligence is, I present you this video. And I think I will be doing more videos about artificial intelligence and the repercussions of the or not repercussions, or the effects of the rapid advances that artificial intelligence is making, or rapid advances that are being made in the field of artificial intelligence all around the world, in America, in China, and in other countries as well. So, what kind of an effect would that have on human society and human civilization in general? So, let's start. Uh, Artificial intelligence, let me try to simplify it from a layman's perspective. Artificial intelligence is basically a robot learning to modify itself, and learning things. It's basically a robot learning things. Whenever a robot, or whenever a computer program for that matter, learns to modify itself, that's when you see the dawn of artificial intelligence, or at least low level artificial intelligence. Again, I might be wrong, but at least that's my idea of artificial intelligence from a layman's perspective. If I'm wrong, feel free to correct me in the comment section. So yeah, so again, artificial intelligence is basically computers learning stuff, because until now we have only we computers can only do what we tell them to do. So basically, we feed a set of instructions, or we give computers, or feed computers, or give computers a certain set of instructions, and the computer will only act according to that set of instructions. It will not veer from that set of instructions. It will do exactly what is written within those instructions, and it will not. The computer is useless by itself. The computer would need a human input, a human interaction, humans feeding some data, and then the computer will process that input, process that data according to the instructions that are fed into the computer, and then it will give an output. It will give a result. So a calculator will is cannot do addition or subtraction by itself. It needs the set of instructions which will help it to process the data that we give it to it to the give to the computer. So if we say 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2 is the input, and then according to the set of instructions that the calculator has, the calculator will process the input, our input, and then give us the output, which is 2 plus 2 equals 4. But um, low level artificial intelligence, or artificial intelligence in general, is basically a kind of computer program, or a kind of computer which can modify its core programming, or the instructions that are fed into it. It can modify it, it can create new code within itself. And yeah, that's the whole point of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is sentient. It knows that it exists, or at least a high level artificial intelligence knows that it exists. I don't know whether low level artificial intelligence would have any level of sentience. I mean, do worms know that they exist? Do caterpillars know that they are an entity, that they are a living entity, that they have a personality? I mean, these are very profound questions, and I do not know how to answer even those questions. Elephants have a personality, dolphins have a personality, but do they uh, is their intelligence the same, comparable? um, Is elephant intelligence the same at the same level as human intelligence? We have to ponder about that. In the same way, is low level artificial intelligence, so with that can a low level artificial intelligence that can do only a few tasks, maybe one or two tasks better than humans or at the same skill level that humans have? Is low level artificial intelligence any is low level artificial intelligence does low level artificial intelligence pose a danger to us humans? It can certainly take away a lot of jobs. I mean, jobs that are repetitive, that do not require a lot of cognitive function. Basically, truck drivers, receptionists, worker at a mall. um, so all these kinds of jobs that need physical labor, that are kind of repetitive and do not require a high level of intellect. I mean, would these jobs even exist in the future? Because with the advent of artificial intelligence, trucks would be able to drive by themselves. You just you are seeing self-driving trucks that are being introduced by Tesla, and within a few years, I think a lot of millions of truck drivers would be out of work in America. So that's low level artificial intelligence. We haven't even got to high level artificial intelligence yet. So yeah, I mean, it's kind of scary, but some people are saying that if we as a civilization take the right steps, then the transition to an automated society wouldn't be that bad. I don't know what to think of it. I definitely do not have all the answers, so I just would say goodbye. Stay safe. God bless you. I will talk about this more in the next video. Like, share, and subscribe if you like this video. Subscribe to my channel if you like this video. And goodbye. God bless you.